Well, hello again, everybody. Day 2 of 2 videos in a row. Me and Zeus is back out again. Over here at the creek bank. Figured I'd bring him out. I have to keep a real close eye on him. He's almost completely blind. Zeus, come on, this way. Yeah, I told you guys I'd try to make the videos more closer together. Come on, this way. Come on. Got those big pit bulls barking at me. So you might hear that through the whole video. Come on. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Yeah, I was talking about trying to find a way up in the hills. Right there might be the solution, but it's not mine. It's a neighbor's. I'm not even sure if it runs, but we'll have to check it out soon and see if maybe we can use it. Go down this way, Zeus. Come on. Yeah, hopefully I don't fall. If I do, I will leave it in the video. Nothing be funnier than seeing a fat guy fall. Come on, Zeus, back this way. Come on. Come on, back this way. Zeus. I gotta go where he goes. I'm trying to keep him center of the video. I'm new at all this. As far as the video quality. Trying not to be so shaky. But for the most part, they come out pretty good. Train's coming. And of course, that's going to drown me out. It's bringing cold from that tipple video earlier in the channel's life, I guess you could say. Come on, this way. Come on, we can't go on the neighbor's property, other neighbors. They're not very nice people. And I gotta get the leash on him. It's hard to do one-handed. Come here, Zeus. Come here. It's in knots. Sorry, guys. That's my hands here in the... Where'd he go? There he is. I gotta go catch him. Zeus, come here, buddy. You making me make a terrible video. Come here. Zeus, come here. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. I got him. Come on, we gotta go back this way. Yeah, I don't know if I'll edit that out or not. And there's the train making all that goddamn noise. CSX. Yeah, up yours, too. way up through there. As far as you can see, past all the garbage. We gotta head back up this way. So I know it's drowning my voice out, so. It just had to come right when I made the video too. See, it's full of coal. It just keeps going. I thought that tipple was closed, but it's not. That's what I said in the video. Come on, Zeus. Oh, he gotta do his peas. Come on, let's go this way. Yeah, walk right through it. Come on, we gotta get away from those pits. Shit, I'm sorry guys. I just hope that don't ruin the video for you all. Damn dogs barking the train. Is that right, Susie? He's already getting hot. I wanted to go down in the creek, but then you guys never be able to hear me. Yeah, I might try to do more videos this week. Come on, Zeus, let's go up this way a little bit just to try to make the video about the length of the other ones. By coincidence, they end around 9.5 minutes. So I'm just trying to keep track with that. Come on, Zeus, don't go through the mud. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to talk to my neighbor here about that side-by-side. Maybe he might let me use it, I don't know. If so, I can. There's all kinds of trails back in those hills right there. I can go for miles and miles and miles. Can't we, Susie, boy? We can go a long way, can't we? Okay, come on, let's head back this way. I don't know, I might edit out that train. I don't know. Well, we're getting close to the end time of the video. Sun's coming out and we've got like 75 degrees here in Kentucky, and it's heat that you don't want to be around. Smothering heat. Come on, Zeus, we just got a little bit. Come on this way. Come on. Come on, back this way. Zeusy just dropped a big deuce, didn't you, buddy? Yeah. Come on. You ready to go get you some water? We at 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Get out of this hot sun. Well, guys, yeah, like I said, I might try to make another one here in the next day or two. So I'm going to sign off again, guys, and talk to you later.